For me, winter is a time for relaxing and reflecting on life. Basho is probably my favorite poet, and he has a haiku titled Winter Solitude. Fuyugare ya, wa isshoku ni, kaze no oto, winter's solitude, a world of one color, the sound of wind. Looking at the translation though, Fuyugare ya literally means withering winter, implying how bleak winter can be. However, it's often translated as winter solitude. Wa isshoku ni is a world of one color, which is white in winter. And kaze no oto is the sound or voice of the wind. The beauty of poetry and photography is that it leaves so much room for interpretation. Basho may have been referring to winter isolation or desolation, but I prefer to use the meaning of winter solitude instead. We could only hear and learn from the sound of the wind if we're in a state of embracing winter. This quiet solo space is needed to hear and reflect on what the wind has to say. I hope you can enjoy some winter solitude this year before the seasons begin to change.